Xiaomi usually launches a phone in its flagship Mi series in February, but this year it eschewed the Mi 7 in favor of an upgraded variant of the Mi Mix 2 dubbed the Mi Mix 2S. It now looks like the company is instead set to unveil the Mi 8 at the end of the month in China. According to an invite shared on Weibo that was spotted by Gizmo China, Xiaomi will launch its next flagship on May 31st. The phone is set to be called the Mi 8 Anniversary Edition, to commemorate the 8th anniversary of the brand. We don't know much about the device, but it is rumored with a 6.01-inch edge-to-edge OLED display, along with Snapdragon 845, and a 4000 mAh battery with quick charge. Interestingly, the device is set to offer a 3D facial recognition feature similar to that of the iPhone X, and it's slated to come with an in-display fingerprint sensor. Vivo was the first brand to roll out a device with an in-display fingerprint sensor, and it looks like Xiaomi isn't far behind. Reports out of China indicate we'll also see the Mi Band 3 fitness band at the event. It'll be interesting to see if the Mi 8 or any of the other devices that are set to launch next week will make their way outside of China. Xiaomi launched the Mi Mix 2 in India, but in recent months the company has focused on the budget segment, with the launch of the Redmi Y2 imminent. With the launch event just over a week away, we should know more about the Mi 8 in the coming days, so stay tuned. In the meantime, let me know what you're looking forward to seeing from the phone in the comments below.